I'm just going to do a quick video showing the exterior and interior lights of the car, and let's start this thing up with remote start. Do 2 taps of the key fob. And you can tell it has LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, HID headlights, LED turn signals on the exterior mirrors. What's pretty cool is, well, let's see if it works if I unlock. As soon as you grab a door handle, let's see. So the exterior lights are supposed to come on the door handles. They have these little lights that are on right here, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Try and get it to work, but sometimes they come on and sometimes they don't. You got LED tail lights. It's pretty cool. LED license plate lights. Let's step inside the car. LED dome lights. And it's really hard to tell, but there is ambient lighting down here inside the door panels and down in the footwells, so that makes it look even more premium. It's really nice. LED dome lights come on and light up the center console. So let's get out of the car, unlock it. Stepping out, you have a puddle light that's down there that's mounted to the door, which is nice. And it looks like you got the door handles that light up right there. As soon as you lock it, the exterior mirrors fold in automatically. There isn't a way to disable those, but they're just nice nonetheless, so kind of makes parking a breeze when there's people that are close to you. And then when you unlock it, you can see that the door handles all light up. They have these little lights inside right there, mounted inside the door handle, sort of like a BMW 3 Series or Mercedes C-Class. That way you know exactly where you're going to be grabbing the door handle when you get out of the car and it's dark outside. And I love these LED turn signals and LED daytime running lights. They look really, really nice. And just lots of lights on this car that are really cool. Everything is LED license plate lights, LED interior lights. Just very, very nice. Take one last look inside the car. And this actually has LED footwell lighting, but you just don't see that right now. I think the car has to be on in order for you to see those lights. And also I got the door handle fixed. There was just a cord that was disconnected inside the door handle on the inside the door panel. So we got that all fixed. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions or comments about this Alfa Romeo Giulia, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.